Hello, little farmers. Welcome to the happiest farm in the world. We are meeting some amazing animals. Ready to learn their names and sounds? Let's go! Meet Daisy the cow. She's big, gentle, and gives us yummy milk for our cereal. Can you moo like Daisy? Moo! Quack, 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 quack. Here comes Chuck the duck. Do you know that duck has webbed feet to swim fast? And it loves to dive for snacks. Let's waddle and quack. Quack, 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 quack. Here comes Clucky the chicken. She lays eggs for our breakfast. Cluck, 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 cluck. Can you flop your wings like Clucky? Gallop over to Harry the horse. He's strong, fast, and loves carrots. Neigh! Can you neigh like Harry? Say hello to Woolly the sheep. His fluffy coat keeps him warm, and we use his wool to make cozy sweaters. Ba, ba, let's ba together. Meet Gabby the goat. Gabby the goat is super climber and eats almost everything. Even Daddy's hat. Meh, meh. Ready to meh like Gabby? Last but not least, Percy the pig. He's super silly and adores playing in muddy puddles. Oink, oink. Can you oink like Percy? Wow, you met all our farm friends today. Remember, cow, moo, duck, quack, chicken, cluck, horse, neigh, sheep, ba, goat, meh, and pig, oinks. Keep exploring, little farmers. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like for more fun videos.